Hey, hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. Hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, a happy first night of Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa today, whatever it is that you might celebrate during this time of year. I hope you are enjoying it. So let's take a look at this nastiness. It's something that we've talked about over the course of this year, every now and again when it gets a little bit crazy. And today it got a little bit crazy. You can see over here down over 8% on the day. This, my friends, is Cocoa Futures, and that candle is just gnarly. So, what we had been doing is ever since, let's see, mid-November, let's say, we'd been on this really nice move upward. I mean, that's a fairly steep slope. So, up, 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 awesome. And then last week had a little bit of a challenge, kind of caught ourselves on this turning line. Today, couldn't handle it any longer. Fell down entirely. Didn't make it all the way down to the standard line, but that would be my next target should it continue lower. If it then surpasses that to the downside, we might be looking at heading all the way back down to the cloud. Now, this can be very, very lucrative because, like many of the commodities, this is real stuff. Like it's actually based on actual cocoa, not just numbers in a computer somewhere. And you can see, like, look at what happened earlier this year. This just touched down onto the cloud and then took off. I mean, that is just a gorgeous rise all the way from, let's see, when did that happen? January, like early January, up to about April, mid-April. So, whew, lots of money to be made in the commodity market. So, might be something you want to check out. I used to trade a whole lot of these softs. The only deal with the softs is that they are on ICE, the Intercontinental Exchange. They're not on regular exchanges like the CME or the CBOT or any of those. So, what you often have to do is you might have to pay your data provider slightly extra if you want to get the real-time data for these. I used to pay for that because I used to trade a lot of OJ and coffee. I don't now because I mostly just trade the NASDAQ. I've become very boring in my trading. But these are a whole lot of fun because, like I said, they are based on real things. So when something goes wrong, like a weather situation, such as a major storm or a drought or anything like that, that can impact the price very quickly and very dramatically. So it might be something to keep an eye on. I wanted you to be the first to know that in January, I have two live trading classes that I will be running. One is for folks who have never traded before. That one is essentially taking a few students, and it literally is just a few students. That one sold out within, I don't know, an hour or so last time I taught it. So that one is taking a few students from literally zero and teaching them everything I know over the course of 2 months and helping them become traders. The second course is going to be a brand new course where I'm going to show you how to take the best candlestick patterns, match those up with the best chart patterns, and add in one really easy trading tool to help you stick with the trends or see them in the first place. I'm telling you this now because they are going to go on sale tomorrow. There will be an early bird special tomorrow through the end of the year. And like I said, for that first course, it sold out almost right away last time I offered it. So if either of these things are of interest to you or to someone that you know, stay tuned because all the details will go out tomorrow. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.